Let me introduce you to Ricca, a color cosmetic company that believes luxury can be clean. Today we are making our Golden Lip Duo that includes a lipstick and a lip balm pot, made of all natural ingredients and then covered in 24 karat gold. We use natural beeswax, shea butter, grapeseed oil, vitamin E, and peach oil for a sweet scent in our products. The color of your products are customizable. You can go on our website and choose one of the many colors we have, or submit a new one, which we will then add to our portfolio. Today we are making a red lipstick and a shimmery pink lip balm. After we have the custom products in the selected containers, we hand wrap both the primary and secondary packaging in 24 karat gold. We want all of our customers to feel luxurious without paying the price of artificial or dangerous ingredients.